Imagine having your own five-person digital team: researchers, writers, marketers, organizers, and strategists, all working for you 24/7 inside ChatGPT. No salaries, no burnout, no headaches. That's exactly what the AI leverage system does. It turns ChatGPT into a complete digital workforce that saves you time, multiplies your productivity, and even gives you a business you can sell as your own. If that sounds like the kind of leverage you want in 2025, keep watching, because I'm breaking it all down step by step. So here's my quick take. This isn't just another AI prompt guide. The AI leverage system is a complete framework that shows you how to make ChatGPT behave like five team members working in harmony. It's practical, beginner friendly, and even comes with full PLR rights, meaning you can sell the entire system as your own. So if you want to use it and profit from it, this is a win win. Now let's talk about what this really is. The AI Leverage System, PLR Plus Edition, is a full training and business package that teaches you how to hire and manage five AI teammates inside ChatGPT, each with a role. Researcher finds trends, competitors, and hidden opportunities. Writer creates blog posts, emails, and video scripts. Marketer builds campaigns and social content. Organizer keeps projects structured and on track. Strategist connects ideas into action. It's designed for digital marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, freelancers, or anyone who wants to save hours every week and create a system that runs itself. Plus, with full PLR rights, you can rebrand it, resell it, or use it to train your clients. Once you log in, you'll see everything laid out clearly in the AI Leverage System main guide. It walks you through, step by step, how to set up your five-person team inside ChatGPT, what exact prompts and workflows to use, and how to connect each role so your researcher hands tasks to your writer to your marketer, and so on. There's also a quick start guide so you can have your team running in just 10 minutes. But the real magic? You get access to the AI Team Builder GPT, a custom GPT that automatically builds your five-person AI team for you. Just answer a few questions about your business, and it creates everything for you inside ChatGPT. You can save each role as a reusable chat, so they're ready to work for you every single day. If you grab the front-end offer for just $14.95, you'll also see a few optional upgrades that seriously take things to the next level. Let me quickly break them down for you. OTO1, the AI Execution Engine, $27. Connects your team to real-world automation, so your projects, blogs, and campaigns run on autopilot. Bump offer, Role Refiner GPT, $14. Optimizes your five AI roles for faster, smarter results. OTO2, AI Growth Replicator System, $47. Shows you how to duplicate your entire AI setup into multiple income streams or client systems. Bump offer, Hook Multiplier GPT, creates irresistible hooks, scroll-stopping titles, and ad copy for any niche. OTO3, Instant Expert System, $27, turns you into an instant authority by packaging your AI skills into products or content. Great for coaches or freelancers. Each upgrade builds on the last, so the more you grab, the more powerful your AI system becomes. And because you're watching this review, I've got a massive exclusive bonus bundle waiting for you when you grab the AI leverage system through the link below. These are real premium tools that complement this system perfectly, not some random filler. Here's what you'll get instantly. Bonus number one, WP Slideshow Master. Create stunning interactive slides for promotions. Bonus number two, WP Swift Page Plugin. Boost your site's speed and lower bounce rates. Bonus number three, Lead Book Generator. Automate your Facebook lead ad connections. Bonus number four, WP Email Timer Plus. Add powerful countdown timers to your emails. Bonus number five, Conversion Equalizer. Maximize your AdWords conversions easily. Bonus six, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse and scale your funnels without duplicating pages. Bonus seven, Action Poll. Segment your leads and improve conversions automatically. Bonus 8, Article Analyzer. Rank better by optimizing every post or blog you publish. Bonus 9, Soci Buzzinar. Add viral share buttons and grow organic traffic. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Launch or resell instantly with pre-built content. That's just the start. There are dozens more premium plugins, tools, and marketing systems inside my App Verdict Bonus Vault. All you need to do is click the link below, grab the AI leverage system, and your bonuses will be waiting in your Warrior Plus account automatically. So here's my final verdict. If you're serious about working smarter, not harder, the AI leverage system is hands down one of the smartest AI investments you can make right now. You're not just learning how to use ChatGPT, you're building a business system you can use and resell for 100% profit. And remember, my exclusive bonuses are limited to the first 25 buyers or until the countdown hits 0. So don't wait. Click the link below right now. Grab the AI leverage system and lock in all your bonuses before they disappear. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest AI and affiliate product reviews, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. Your download links and bonuses will be delivered instantly inside your Warrior Plus account under the Access Affiliate Bonus button. Thanks for watching. Now go build your 5-person AI team and start leveraging ChatGPT the smart way.